In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable YouTube search history for Windows, Mac, iPhone, and Android completely for free. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so I have my Apple iPhone or my Steve Jobs iPhone, and I have YouTube pulled up. Basically, I'm going to click the bottom right or click our YouTube channel, and then we're going to click the top right icon or the settings icon, and we want to click this option where it says manage all history, low connected apps, and above your data in YouTube. And basically now we want to click the first option, saving your YouTube history. Now, as you can see here, if we scroll down, this is YouTube history and it's currently turned on, and we have the option to literally turn it off so that basically we will see this and well, we don't have any YouTube search history. So we're going to click this option, turn off, and it's going to say pause YouTube history. You can read this if you would like, and then click the second option, pause. Now it says that the setting is off, and now it's not saving any new YouTube history. Go to the home screen. Bada bing, bada boom. You have completely disabled YouTube search history, so the algorithm doesn't have effect. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.